citizens when you continue to do something over
It's a
and over.
time for us to really highlight all of our career programs. It's a time for Prosser staff and students to shine, to showcase what we do each and every day, which includes preparation for those next steps after high school, and to highlight the certifications, state licenses, dual credit opportunities that we have here at Prosser. We will have students, current students, along with our instructors, participating in activities that basically give a snip of what happens on a daily basis in this building. Parents who have attended Prosser or think they know Prosser will be pleasantly surprised when they walk through our doors to see how much we are growing and all the innovation that's actually happening in our building.
At first I was a little scared to come to Prosser. Then I took a tour here and then I really liked it, and then I liked the culinary class too. It's an excellent program, it's an excellent opportunity. They give a lot of opportunities here. I honestly would encourage parents and students to come out because it could open many doors. It's shown me how to prepare myself for the future.
I want to go into a career path where I can help people. That's always been a goal of mine. There's a career here for anything you want to do. It's such a broad aspect of things that you would ever dream about doing with your life. And even if you're not interested in something per se, you should still come look just to see if maybe something that you might want to do in the future could draw you even more. Every class here, they're all separate, but they all work together. Every last one of them. Electrical works with construction. They build a house together. We're all a team. Most of the classes have labs here, so you can go out and do something instead of just being told how to do it. They can show you and demonstrate how to do it and let you do it on your own. They want to get you some sort of experience before they just throw you out in the real world.
I knew for sure that I wanted to start a business before I was the age of 23, but I didn't know how I was going to get myself there. I knew that I needed to be in an independent-based work field, and I like that he puts us in that environment where it's he gives you the curriculum, he gives you, this is what you need to have and run with it. It's not just a skill that's going to take you from this classroom to the next semester and from this classroom to this semester. It's going to take you from your life from point A to point B and then point C, and then it's going to help you throughout your whole entire life.
When you see culinary, criminal justice, fire, EMT, all these other classes like welding, and you see these kids doing this a lot of hands-on, you actually learn from it and make you feel like you're actually doing the job. That's what I felt like when I was doing criminal justice. I felt like I was actually a police officer. You can't come here and say, I don't want to do anything. You have to do something here. You will love to do something here.